So go for exercise. This is exercise 8.1, and this is the question number 4. So this is question number 4 for you. The statement of the question is given 15 times cot A is equal to 8, and you were asked to find. आपको कहा गया कि आप बताइए साइन A कितना होगा, sin A and secant A, right? So this is a solution of the problem. The solution of this problem is, first we will draw the diagram, a right angle triangle, and then we'll discuss see, this is a right triangle, and this right triangle is A, B and C, and we will now make the ratios corresponding to this angle at A. Now this is a right angle at B. Angle at B is 90 degree. So you are asked to find then sine A and secant A. So to start with, in triangle ABC, we have angle at B is 90 degree. All right. So starting with 15 times 15 cot A is equal to 8. This means cot A is equal to 8 by 15. So we know that this ratio is based upon perpendicular. This ratio is based upon perpendicular. So with respect to the angle at A, base is now this part, base AB. AB is now 8 times some K, and a perpendicular, which is the side opposite to this, is 15 times K. This is 15K. So now you are left with this unknown part, hypotenuse. So using the Pythagoras theorem, in this next step, using Pythagoras theorem, we have hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square means 15K square plus base square 8K square. So this is H is equal to under root 225 K square plus 64 K square. So this is further equal to under root 289 K square, which is equal to under root 17 into 17 into K into K. It is equal to 17 times K. Alright. So now here you have H is equal to 17 times K. Okay, so now here you have to find the other ratios. Now we have solved on this part. Okay, so what is asked from you? Sine A. So sine A is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So now perpendicular part is this. For this triangle, this is 15k, 15 time k upon hypotenuse is 17 time k. So k is cancelled with k. This ratio is now 15 upon 17. And other ratio that is asked from you is this is secant A. So secant A is 1 by cos A. You know the ratio of cos is 1 upon, this is B upon H. So actually it is H upon B. So H is 17k and the base is 8k. So k is cancelled with k. This is 17 by 8. So you are left with the answers like this. You can write the answer to the question now. Sine A is equal to 15 by 17 and secant A is equal to 17 by 8. So this is the answer of the question. So now we will go for the another. We will now go for the question number 5. So question number 5 is, so well we will go for the question number 5. Question number 5 is, the statement is like this. This is question number 5. The statement is like this: given secant theta is given secant theta is, it is 13 by 12. Calculate other trigonometric ratios. You are asked to calculate other trigonometric ratios. So this is the question that is asked from you. So the solution of this problem is, solution of the problem is, see, we'll first try to draw the diagram accordingly. So this is a, now this is a right triangle, and the any information is not attached with it now. So this is sum A, angle A, this is B, I'm sorry for it, this is B, and this is C. So we will take this angle as 90 degree, and we'll consider here angle theta is here is angle theta. So this part is base. So we'll start with in triangle A B C. We have secant theta that is equal to 13 by 12. This is the ratio of hypotenuse to the base. This means hypotenuse is 13 times k, and base is now 12 times k, right? So this part is now unknown for you. So using Pythagoras theorem, we have hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So now here hypotenuse square is perpendicular square, that is unknown for you. So this part is I have to write p square plus b square for no reason. So now this part is now unknown for you. You have to calculate this. So you can write it like this: p square is equal to, you can take this part to this side. So now this is h square माइनस बी स्क्वायर। इसमें आपने ये ध्यान रखना है कि हमने जैसे कहा कि इस पार्ट को हम इधर ले गए हैं, तो इससे ये पता नहीं चलता कि कौन पार्ट किधर गया। जिसका साइन चेंज हो गया है उसने अपनी साइड को चेंज किया। सो हियर देयर इज ए प्लस बी स्क्वायर एंड इफ इट इज नाउ गॉन टू अनदर साइड then it will become minus b square. So take care of this like this. So perpendicular is now under root of, this is h square minus b square. So just substitute the values. H square is 13 times k square minus 12 times k square. So this perpendicular is under root. This is 169 k square minus 144 k square, which is equal to under root. This is 25 k square, which is further you can write it like this: 5 cross 5 cross k cross k. So you can make pair of these two and you are left with 5 times k. So now this part is now which was unknown for you. So you can write it like this. So this unknown part now is 5 times k. Okay. So now in this right triangle, now every side is now known to you. So but it's now asked from you other trigonometric ratios. So right, so I will write the unknown are sine A, okay, and then cos A, and then tan A. These are the basic ratios, okay. So this sine A is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. This cos A is base upon hypotenuse. Tan A is perpendicular upon base. So this is perpendicular upon hypotenuse is 5k. This is 5k upon 13k. So cancel it out. We are left with 5 by 13. And then base upon hypotenuse, it is equal to 12k upon 13k. You are left with 12 by 13. So now this part is perpendicular is 5k divided by 12k. You are left with 5 by 12. So now other ratios are just invert these. So this ratio, inversion of this will lead to cosecant A. So cosecant is just opposite of sine. This is 1 by sine A. 1 by sine A. So which is equal to 13 by 5. And this ratio, invert this cos A, that is secant A, which is equal to 1 by cos A, which is equal to 13 by 12, right? and on this part is invert this and it will become cot A. So cot A is 1 by tan A, and which will be 12 upon 5. So this is all about the trigonometric ratios. So we have attempted 2 questions, and rest of the questions we will do in another video. Thank you very much.